Speaking on the topic of AI, instead of images, now they're doing video.
Who is?
This company called Runway.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they do
Let me see it.
video.
Not too long ago, Runway pushed the boundaries of generative AI with Gen 1, a video-to-video model that allows you to use words and images to generate new videos out of existing ones. In the weeks since launching, the model has constantly gotten better. Better temporal consistency, better fidelity, better results. And as more and more people gained access, we unlocked entirely new use cases and displays of creativity. And today, we're excited to announce our biggest unlock yet: text to video with Gen 2. Now you can generate a video with nothing but words. No driving video, no input. Gen 2 represents yet another major research milestone and another monumental step forward for generative AI. With Gen 2, anyone, anywhere can suddenly realize entire worlds, animations, stories, anything you can imagine. Gen 2, coming very soon to runwayml.com.
That's very epic. Eh? Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, when is the
inevitable? Yeah.
full AI movie? When is it coming out?
Inevitable. Yeah. Aerial drone
I think it's
footage
coming
of the
out
mountain.
this year.
Dude, it's gonna be like, what is what? You know, what is what?
I mean, at this point,
every single time you see something, hear something, is that a real? Was that? It's like when you watch a movie as a kid, and it's like, and someone says, based on a true story. Mm-hmm. Everything's gonna be based on something. Mm-hmm. It's like based on a shot in the snow of a guy in Manhattan, based on our old recollection and data set of what humans actually did or looked like, or based on an expression of a human face, of what a human face might look like if a human face were capable of expression anymore. Mm-hmm. Based on, not exactly, but based on. And we're like, okay.
I mean, it's not there yet. You can kind of see there's a lot of artifacts, but, you know, maybe in a couple months, maybe in a couple years, it could be quite impressive. I mean, look at that. Source video to like this. Wow. Yeah, I feel like this could be in like a music video right now.
Yeah, of course it could.
You know, this kind of stuff
Probably
maybe
will
in
be.
like B-roll.
Probably will be. Like, can anyone copyright anything anymore? Is that done? Can you copyright anything?
Oh, dude, this is impressive too.
How do you...
Like, they're just using books.
As
and then
skyscrapers?
It turns into skyscrapers, yeah.
Yeah, how do you copy? Like, what is the point? People will just reach for stuff that isn't. People will just reach for whatever's easier. Like, what I don't understand is, yes, it's transformative and it's different, but it's also just polka dots on a dog.
It's like it's glitching out or something.
But like, at what point is it new and original? And I mean, it's never original. You definitely can't. Courts seem to think that you can't copyright the newly generated material.
Uh-huh.
So anybody can do anything. But my point is, so in some cases, it's so close to the original that you really feel that maybe it's not transformative enough, and it's going to the legal stuff is going to get funky.
What do you think about this character?
That's a weird one.
Yeah. Dude, this is, I feel like this is also very scary.
Also, add it to the scary category.
Yeah.
The also category.
I mean, good luck to them. I can't wait for their next movie or a movie coming up. All right, last one. This one is more human,
Oh,
if you
sick.
can believe it or not.
Amazingly realistic animal sand sculptures come alive on shore. Oh, I thought that was a real horse. It's made of sand. Wow. God, how many hours? See, there's the artist right there. No AI necessary, as far as we can tell.
Yeah.
Jeez, the face and head, that's the tough part. I mean, like the leg and the body, you can get it. You can imagine it. But what's wild about these, and I think the reason it'll stop you in your tracks, is because you realize it's just sand and you realize it's going to just melt away. Like it's so temporary. It's so much work, but yet so temporary. Like it does fine tuning it. I don't know what the amount of time is. Did they say how long it takes to make one of these? Is it 1 day, 2 days, a week? Like you're gonna need the right weather forecast to be tackling that.
My guess is that it's a while. It's a while.
But then you, like I said, then you're gonna have to check the weather forecast. They all end up looking kind of dead, though. Hey?
Well, I mean, they have to be lying down. If you're creating like a four-legged creature, it can't be standing up, right?
Why does this one's face look so dead though? Like it's smashed into the pavement.
Dude, it's got to be resting somehow.
Yeah, you're right. It does. This is a difficult challenge over here. It's kind of challenging doing that and making them look less dead.
I wonder if those are real horns.
Like if you're walking past this, you think, "Holy crap, it's a dead animal over there."
Yeah, I would. I would be freaked out.
You'd be thinking.